In this video, we are going to look at a special action step called split action. So in order to access it, you just go to your automation map and add any trigger that you like. And then the next step would be to click on this plus sign and search for split action. And then you can access the split action step. Just like the name suggests, it splits the contacts in the automation map in a very random manner according to the percentage that you suggest in the settings. So this is basically used for A/B testing. So what happens when you select a split test? When you click save, you can see there are two paths now, and since we select 50% on path A, 50% on path B, any contact that gets loaded onto the trigger section or into this automation map will come to this split action and gets split into two equal parts of 50% on path A and 50% on path B. And now you can add another action such as sending an email or sending an SMS here, and then you can test out which SMS or which email did perform better compared to the other. So that's the basis of A/B testing, and this is exactly how you run the A/B test using a split action step. But A/B testing is only for two variables, but you can keep on adding more paths if you want. Now you have only path A and B, but you can keep on adding paths up to 5 of them. After that, this gets grayed out and you cannot add more paths. Now you can give a percentage of 20, 20, 20, 20 so that the total becomes 100, or if you want to make it 25 and 15, you can do so. The whole total should be 100, and when you're done, you can click save. And if you want to make it meaningful, what you can do is you can rename the path. Instead of this, you can rename the email subject something, and then you can do a different email subject here, and that's how you can test out each of the path and see which one did better. So you could add email here, send an email, and then you could have a different subject line for this email, and then when you go to the split action and then click on the statistics, you can see which contacts have entered here. And then when you go to the whole stats view, you can actually see which of the emails have been clicked or which of the email generated more sales and such. So this is very useful to run A/B testing or testing of any sorts, and you can test up to 5 variables, or you can split the contact into 5 equal groups, or however you would like to split them. And one thing you need to remember, if in the settings you selected allow re-entry, what happens if the person re-enters this automation? So if the person initially went to this first path, the path A, when they re-enter, they would go back to the same path. They would follow the original path when they first entered. So that's one thing that you need to know. Otherwise, this is everything that you need to understand about split testing using the split action step in the workflow. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.